Yeah. Who's that? It's Daddy. Yeah. Gonna give Daddy a hug? Oh, good hugs. Gonna give him a kiss? Good kisses. Mwah! Kisses. Yeah. Mwah! Kisses. Are you gonna dance with him? Oh, good dancing. Yeah. You're fixing his hair. Doesn't look very much like Daddy's hair, does it? We should dye it red. Yeah, there's his foot. And his hand. Yeah. Oh, is he upside down like you were just a minute ago? Yeah. Oh, is he gonna sit? Oh, he's laying down. Oh, good cuddles. Yeah.